It's Michaela and you are watching FunsizedStyle. For today's video, I'm going to be doing yet another Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box unboxing. If you guys are new around here, it's a monthly beauty subscription service that includes products to create an entire makeup look. It's created around a certain theme. I've done so many of these videos. Those of you that are like an OG, not even an OG, but have been around for any length of time, can already tell that this is a favorite of mine on my channel. So I'll have a link down in the description box below where you can sign up for Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. They also have free worldwide shipping. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this box. So as you can see here, this box theme is Pumpkin Spice It Up. So the next video that you guys see, that you'll see, as you know, is a Pumpkin Spice It Up makeup tutorial using the products that are in this box. So the first product in my Pumpkin Spice It Up box is actually, that was on the top, is the bonus item. So every month they have 5 full-size products, and every now and then they'll include a bonus item. And for some reason, the bonus item is usually always a face mask. This is the ELIZAVECCA Milky Piggy Blackhead Solution 3-step. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. You guys know I don't use these, so I'll be passing this along to somebody. Packaging looks like it goes along with the theme, so that's probably why they chose this one. The ELIZAVECCA, I don't know, Milky Piggy Blackhead 3-step solution. It retails for $2.40. The next product that I received in my Pumpkin Spice It Up Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is by the brand LA Girl, and this is the Shady Slim Brow Pencil, and they gave me the shade Taupe. I haven't tried too many products from LA Girl, but the ones that I've tried I think were only lip products. I don't think I've ever tried any of their brow products, but this one has a really fine tip, which I love. I love brow products with fine tips because I feel like so much easier to work with. So let me go ahead and swatch this. They gave me the taupe shade. It's so fine. I don't even know if you can see this, but I almost think it would work for if you're a redhead. This does not seem to match my brows at all. So we'll have to see what it looks like when I put it on. I obviously filled in my brows today, so I mean it probably looks a little bit different, but we'll see in the makeup tutorial. I'm still going to utilize it, but overall this still seems like a really nice brow pencil, and I'm really excited to try this. The LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil retails for $6. The next product in my Pumpkin Spice It Up box is by J.CAT Beauty, and this is the Love Live Lash Lengthening Mascara. So I've actually heard a little bit about this mascara. It received really great reviews, so I'm really excited to try this because I feel like normally reviews on mascaras aren't that good normally, but for a mascara, especially like a smaller brand like J.CAT Beauty, this received really great reviews, so I'm excited to try it. I received the shade Jet Black, of course, and I'll go ahead and show you guys, but I'm not going to open it up until the Pumpkin Spice It Up tutorial, because I like to keep them nice and fresh because I have my everyday mascaras that I'm using. But here's what it looks like. J.CAT Beauty packaging is pretty standard, but the quality of their products is usually pretty nice. You never go wrong with a good mascara. The Love Live Lash Mascara retails for $5.99. I recognize this brand. So this product is by, I already know what brand it is. It's TERE Minerals or TERE Cosmetics. I think that's how you say it. I received quite a few of their products in my Sweet Sparkle Beauty boxes. It's a fan favorite over there. I'm trying to get this open. It's a pretty popular brand for Sweet Sparkle Beauty boxes, and it's products are quite pricey, so, and they're really nice quality, so that's super nice. Here's the product. So this is an eyeshadow, mineral eyeshadow in the shade Gold Dust. Here's what it looks like. It almost looks a little bit green though. And this is like a pumpkin makeup tutorial, so I'm going to have to get a little bit creative on how to utilize the shadow. Okay, so I think I finally got it as good as I'm going to get it, but here's what it looks like. I'll try to insert a picture as well. I don't know why you can't see this color because it's actually, I mean, it's not bold, but it's definitely visible. So I don't know why it's not showing up super well on camera, but I'll see if I can insert a picture of a better swatch, and of course you guys will see it in action in the Pumpkin Spice It Up makeup tutorial. The TERE Mineral Eyeshadow retails for $19.95. This is another eyeshadow. This is in the shade Pumpkin Spice. So perfect for this tutorial. Although I don't know how it's going to go with this, or how it's going to look with this gold eyeshadow. It's not, I mean, it is gold, but it's more of a, it's just a very unique tone of a gold. So I will have to, I think I'm going to look to Pinterest with some inspiration on how to incorporate these colors, because here's what the eyeshadow looks like for the Hikari Cosmetics. Again, super orange, perfect for pumpkin spice. I'll go ahead and swatch this as well. That is so pigmented. Again, perfect for a pumpkin spice tutorial. The pigment, amazing. I'm usually amazed by the Hikari Cosmetics eyeshadows, although I've had, again, a really great experience with these shadows as well. So I'm excited to put it to the test in this tutorial, but I'm definitely going to seek to Pinterest for some inspiration on how to combine these two colors. But I usually come through those, so stay tuned. The Hikari eyeshadow retails for $15. Let's hope we can get through this last product before my battery dies. But the last product in my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Pumpkin Spice It Up box is by Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. And this is a liquid lipstick. I don't know what shade. Oh, in the shade Ginger. This is their matte liquid lipstick. I love Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics packaging. I think it's just so cute, and Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box usually always picks the perfect lip colors for the corresponding theme, and it looks like this is no different. This is perfect. I love this lip color. Perfect for this time of year. A little similar to the lip color I'm wearing right now, but a little more on the orangey side. Definitely, I see why it's called Ginger, because, I mean, obviously that's the perfect description, and I know it's going to tie in perfectly for this pumpkin spice it up tutorial. And again, the application was super smooth, and the pigment is obviously totally awesome. Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics is another underrated brand that I have yet to be disappointed from, so I'm really excited to put this on my lips in the pumpkin spice it up tutorial. This liquid lipstick retails for $14. So that is everything in my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Pumpkin Spice It Up box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I'm super impressed with everything in this box. I hope you guys are excited to see the Pumpkin Spice It Up makeup tutorial. Like I said, I'm totally blown away by the performance of all these products. Really, really excited to create this makeup tutorial, because I think it'll be a creatives challenge trying to incorporate that gold eyeshadow, but I know I'll make it work, and I'm excited to show you guys my work of art in the next video. Thanks again for watching. I'll have all the links to everything down in the description box below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!